Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and I got this question. How do you get your products in front of enough people? And she says, I have excellent conversion rates, but not enough views. So the biggest thing that I see people when they're selling physical products is they're sending people to like an Etsy shop or something like that. And what's going to happen is people might go to your store and then they're going to bounce back to, they're going to get distracted, check out other stuff on Etsy, go back to Pinterest, whatever it may be. So I want you to think a little bit differently. I have an entire podcast episode about this, of how to use Pinterest to sell physical products on the She's Making an Impact podcast. And it's on the blog too. But what I want you to do is create content that's around your products that you're serving. So it's related to it. And from there, I want you to actually be building your email list. So you have a freebie that's related to your product. Maybe it's like a coupon code or free shipping, or, I have an artist that I've worked with in the past and he gave away free art prints. So there's something that you could give away for free to build your email list. And that way you can market to those people in the future. And so creating content, putting it on Pinterest. I have so many resources and tools to help you dominate on Pinterest. If you just search on YouTube or my blog or podcast or anywhere. And that's really going to help you get more people, because you're going to be attracting them to you through your content. Okay. So it's a little bit different than most people do when they're selling physical products, but I promise you, this is going to work so much better. You're going to attract people to you. You're going to have an email list of people that you can market to in the future. And it's going to make your life a million times easier. So I hope you found this helpful. If you want to get started using Pinterest, go sign up for my free Pinterest masterclass at freepinterestclass.com, and I'll see you in the next video.